We're now at the mill for Wisconsin Log Homes, and with me is Steve Koboff, and he is manager of operations for Wisconsin Log Homes, the mill site, right?
That's correct.
Okay, and what does the operations manager do?
My job is to order all the material, order logs, order the cans, schedule the deliveries, production schedules, pretty much get the home out of here, out of the facility.
Okay, and you obviously order all different kinds of wood. I mean, there's various trees here. Why is that?
We do it mainly for the customer. We actually handle an eastern white cedar, a western red cedar, a spruce out of Canada, and most of the white pine that comes out of Wisconsin. And it's a variance for a customer. It gives people different things to do.
Looks like this one's ready for a makeover. Let's follow it through the process, how about?
All right. Dean, here's where it all begins. This is a load of logs coming in for Wisconsin Log Homes.
Good looking logs.
That's some nice stuff, some nice white pine here out of the central part of Wisconsin, stuff that they picked out just for our company.
Now, how many truckloads or how many logs does it take to, say, build an average home?
It would take, a fair amount, 4 or 5 of those trucks to get an average white pine log home out of here. Yeah.
What are these guys up to?
These guys are actually, it's a stick scale. That's how we pay the loggers that are logging to bring these logs in. They're scaling, they're going to tell us how many board feet are in each log, and that's how they get paid.
Great. What's next? So Steve, what's going on here?
These guys are draw knifing a collar tie. It's a hand-hewn, hand-drawn knife. It's collar tie for one of our homes.
And for people who don't know what a collar tie is, what exactly is that?
Collar tie is the main beam that would probably go in our great room. It would span the 2 walls, and it's an exposed beam. That's why we give it that hand-hewn look.
There isn't a machine that can do this?
No, we haven't found one. This is, and if there is, this is something that we think sets us apart, this hand-hewn look, doing it by hand.
Yeah, well, it certainly looks good and smooth. Hey guys, let me see your hands. You got all your fingers? So you unload the logs, scale the logs, and let me guess, this is the debarking.
This is the debarker. Once they're scaled and for length, they come up here, we take them off, the bark off, here they go to the sawmill to be cut.
Now let's go take a look at the sawmill.
All right, Dean. Dean, this is our Clearman sawmill. It's a circular sawmill. This is where we do all of our special cuts for each house that goes through here.
Okay, now all the different cuts that I've seen around the yard and what goes into a house, they're not all done on this one big blade saw. That is a big blade saw. So what are the special cuts that you do here?
The special cuts would be collar ties, porch posts, anything that'd be a square figure or something that goes into every house.
Okay.
That would be done up in the sawmill.
Depending on what the homeowner orders.
That's right.
So where's everything else done?
Everything else is done out in another shop we call the Pendu shop, and that's where we make all of our logs for the homes.
Can we go take a look there?
You bet.
Okay.
Dean, this is we call it our Pendu shop, and this is where we actually do all the profiling for our logs.
Did you say Kendu shop?
Pendu shop.
Oh, Pendu.
Pendu
Yeah, we
shop.
can do this.
Yeah, this is where every log that goes out of this as custom made comes through this building.
And these all get cut from that square stock that comes out of the big blade line.
We take a round log, for the most part, turn it square, run it through the machine, and shape it. And that's how we turn in our log.
Wow.